Hello everyone, Mike Arnold here, co-founder of Path Trading Partners on Bob Iacino. So, pretty decent sized gap down today. Dipping, we had 765 as our next key level to watch around that area for reversal. Pretty decent reversal there if you come down to the 15-minute chart. You can see you got the gap down, spiking down to that level. And then reversal back to 15-minute rotation zone, coming back down. By the way, if you've followed the videos in the past, this retracement level did get past the 62.5, so I was expecting the gap to fill, which eventually it did. It did not go on to make new lows. So that's how that looks at this point. Now, based off the daily, we are in bearish mode now. It would need to get back above 820 to get to neutral mode. So keep that in mind. And we did, not on a closing basis, but we did break this 780 low. We did not close below it. So I'm not paying attention to that 780 low. I'm paying attention to this low now. And I can't update that because that's not a pausing bar yet. And you can see here on tomorrow, the first resistance level I'm watching is about 800 to 803. If we get through there, my next key resistance is with the high from the 16th of February and the top of the rotation zone, 820. So there's that 820 number again. So daily, 820 is key. 4-hour, 820 is key. Remember that number for tomorrow. If it continues to rally, that's going to be my radar focus number. And then I'm especially watching it for the closing price. Above that, 832. And if the next key level, well, the medium term level is this little prior support becoming resistance about 845 and then 860. Those are my levels to the upside, but the one I'm keying off of majorly tomorrow, if we get above the rotation zone, is 820. To the downside, if we go back down, I'll be watching 765 again. And then the next level down, this 750. It's really I'll be watching about 755 to 750. That's between the 50-day exponential and the harmonic projection down. We don't have a major reversal pattern yet. Correct myself. This could be a temporary divergence low. It would need a close above today's high to confirm it. So we had a lower low in price, a higher low with the RSI. Just checking something else. No, that's another proprietary thing I follow, and I was looking to see if it issued a potential buy signal, which it did not. So, number to etch in your brain tomorrow, 820, and I'll talk to you then. Bye for now.